Yo, what is up? You guys thinking, how is this guy streaming? There's a war going on and this guy's still on the PC streaming. There's bombs going. Pew, 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 pew. And this guy is like, dude, he's going to still go live on YouTube. This motherfucker's seen bombs over his house, dog, and this guy's still up. Welcome to the first stream ever, bro. For those of you who have been here, welcome, dude. Happy to have you all here. It's been a crazy, let's say, 48 hours, especially just in the world right now, especially that I'm in Dubai. Again, I'm not going to be asking too many political questions. If you guys have anything regarding the news and the war, I'm in Dubai at the moment. Yes, I am safe. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to say. Don't ask too many questions about the war because I don't want to be answering that. You guys can see the news. Yes, there is a war happening. This is obviously not a war channel, so I'm not here to speak about that. But just I appreciate a lot of you guys checking in on me. A lot of you guys send me DMs saying, hey, Luke, I know you're in Dubai. I hope everything's safe and good. It is safe. It is good. Obviously, I've seen a lot of things happen here. It's pretty crazy. But it's not as bad as it seems on the news. So, yeah. Happy to still be here and happy to have you guys still on the stream, and let's make it an epic one. All right, let's fucking smash it. Like, it's good to be here. I thought, damn, am I going to be able to stream on Tuesday? That was my main concern. When everything was happening in the news, I was thinking, am I going to be able to stream, bro? What about my fans? What about my audience? Are they going to be able to see me live trade? That's what I was concerned about. I was more concerned about you guys. You guys are concerned about me. I was thinking, no, I'll be all right. I'll just fucking, dip, dive, and dodge over that shit, I'll be cool, man. I was more worried about you guys. I was thinking, I don't want to disappoint the crew, man. You know what I mean? So, mad respect to all of you guys that joining in today. Again, for those of you who just joined, yes, I am safe. Yes, I am good. I am streaming from my apartment. It's still in one piece for now. If I have technical difficulties, just know fucking something went up, all right? I'm just joking. But yeah, just know it's not on purpose. But we're here to make money. We're here to trade. We're here to have a good time. And let's absolutely crush it, all right? Boom. First time here. Welcome. Basmedza. I think I'm saying it right. Can you tell Trump to push gold up? Absolutely, bro. I think Trump's a bit preoccupied at the moment. Yeah, I think he's a bit busy. You know what I mean? Nice camera, the haircut, nice trades, wholesome. Yeah, cheers, my bro. I appreciate it. Damn, dog. Just come on the stream. I'm getting compliments. Damn, you should be my girlfriend, bro. I need a girlfriend. I'm going to go in my life telling me that every day, bro. I'll be a happy man, eh? Past first time. Still in one piece for now. Yeah. Still here, guys. This ain't AI shit. You know what I mean? Need to close at least at BE 2 positions. Damn. We'll get there, bro. What are you in, Ilya? Are you in gold or any other positions? Why is it sounding through my left earphone? So listen, guys. I know I told you guys I was supposed to fix it last stream, so I've ordered a piece. I had to order a whole different device, whatever the case is, for it to come in. A new connector. Listen, shit's been happening, all right? My left, if it's only coming through the left side, it's lucky that it's coming in through at all right now. We got to focus on just making money through the trades. I understand it might be only coming through the left side, but there's shit happening. Bigger problems out there right now, all right? Like fucking left to right. Fucking dip, dive, and dodging over here. All right. So if it's ain't coming through the left piece, might not come through any piece. So just be happy that we can hear. We are still alive. We are still good. All right. That is the most important. You can survive with one left piece for now. I'm trying to get the rest of the things sorted out. Just give me some time. All right. There's bigger problems in the world right now. And I have a left piece coming through. Market is so volatile. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. I told you guys on Sunday already. Same, any to the left, yeah. But just, guys, like I said, there's bigger problems in the world right now. I'm trying to fix that issue. Hi guys, how's everyone? How are you, Luke? First time joining the stream. Welcome, my brother. I really appreciate if you are a brother, if you are a lady, welcome my sister. Nearly as much as to buy right now. Yeah, listen guys, just a quick one before we start. If anyone's been affected, or if anyone's obviously, if you're in Lebanon, or if you're in Iran, or if you're in other countries as well, I wish you all the safety. It is obviously a scary time right now. It's not a joke. There is very big things happening around the world, and for those who have been affected, I wish you nothing but safety. And I send you my regards. And if you need anything, just please message me. I'll try and help out the best way I possibly can, because it is a scary time. So those who've been affected, please reach out to me, and I'll see what we can do. If we can try and help you in any way. And I hope your family and your friends and everyone is safe out there right now. But all right, guys, enough with that. We'll make at least $10 today. $10, bro. $10, G. Bro, we've been catching like 300 pips a trade, bro. So like $10 is chip change. What are you talking about? 1 pip, bro? What are you talking about? $10 is 10 pips. Bro, we get that in no problem, bro. Easy. $10 is actually 100 pips. I apologize. My brain's just fried, I'm trying to work on things. But anyways, guys, let's have a look at what's happening on the market right now, so we can potentially look at a setup, because I already see something out to me on the 15-minute time frame. All right, we got a little gap ski over here. Before we get into it, I just want to mark out a position that I'm looking at. It's quite high up at the moment, so this position that I'm looking for. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I went to McDonald's, bro. Bro. I had McDonald's the other day. It's fantastic. I said, if I'm going to have my last meal, what would it be? And it was McDonald's, bro. So I ate McDonald's yesterday. Probably won't have it again today, because I'm like, fuck, I'm still here, right? So it's pretty bad if you have it every day. It's supposed to be like your last meal. I do also see a long. It's actually a good long in position right now. On the 1 hour. Ooh-wee. We got a 1 hour long, boys. Break of structure over here. Shit. Oh shit, we got a long. We're about to enter long. 2625299. There's a long there. Break of structure over here. All right, boys, we're in a long. Straight up. Just saw this now because I was out for some drinks. We're in a long. Enter in now. I'll explain the position now. Just enter now. I'll explain all the things now. You can see the stop loss and take profit there. Entry will be like around that 125, 5125. I'll explain now. 522. So we're breaking down a little bit lower. Yeah, so we're going to set the entries around. I'm only getting in now, so entry will be 7. Okay, well, we just drop in. Okay, yeah, 5. I'd say 5.117. Yeah, around there. Cool. I'm going to send it to the group. This is my entry for now. Quite a big stop loss, so not that big. I'm going to explain everything now. Just give me some time. I'm entering now. My entry was around 5117. I have to send it to the VIP now as well. Give me a second. I have to send it to the VIP. The VIP. What's up, VIP members? How you guys doing? Let's make some fucking peace today, bro. I'm sick and tired of this shit happening in the world right now. I want to make money. If I die, I want to die rich. All right. 5106 for these guys in the VIP. They get a much better entry than me. 5110. 51000. Oh, it's melting down. That's fine. 5106. Let's see how far we're gonna dip here. All good for now. Got a stop loss in play. I'll explain the whole position now. Just give me some time. First TP would be at 5140. 5140, yeah, let's say 5140. 140. Damn, is it gonna just take us out like this? That'll be dirty, mate. Don't do that. Damn, it's fucking collapsing. Pop up, pop up, pop up. Don't go down. Before I send the signal, is it even worth it? Is it just going to take us straight out here? Give me a second here. So we get some sort of reversal back up to our entry point. Damn, that was a little bit of a push down there. Let's see if we can pop back up before I send it. Buy. But just wait. If you haven't entered yet, just wait, because we got a pretty tough entry here. Damn, if it's gonna just push, it's gonna push. Give me some time. 6-1. Didn't expect price to obviously push that hard. Jeez, we just tanked like literally like fucking almost. Yo, by the time we entered, it was already down like. I entered here. Wait, where did I enter? Let me just see here. Saw a break in structure. It should have some sort of bounce here for sure. Literally popped down almost 36 pips. 360 pips. Yeah, damn. I entered at 5117 and it already popped down by that much. That's crazy. Don't enter now if you haven't entered yet. Just wait, just wait. This is just melting down. Give me some time. We might get another entry here. Let's see. Stop loss is down here. 6-1. 6-1. 6-1. Let me just put it here exactly at 6-1. Might have to extend the stop loss a little bit if I haven't. Just trying to see where else I can extend it to. Because it's absolutely melted. I don't want to get wicked out again. Looks like it's just melting down. Damn, it's crazy. We come on and it just starts dipping. Oh, no, it looks like it's just going to take us out straight up. Fucking 6-1. Oh, wait, a little reversal. Damn, wait. Could it have a little reversal here? Wait. It's looking. Close your eyes on this one, boys. Jeez. Yeah, I entered. Crazy. We literally entered at an absolute meltdown. If we get saved by this, it's going to be incredible. It's going to be like... Fuck me. Like our entry was at... I'm already down like 300 pips on this trade. It's been fucking rough. It just went straight down. It took us out straight up. Alright, well, first lots of streams straight up on the first. That fucking sucks. That was a rough fucking move, mate. This thing just wants a dump. Good God. I've never entered a position so quick. Fucking 600 pip move. A 600 pip move in like 3 minutes. That's insane, bruv. Look at this. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minutes. It just absolutely melted by 600 pips. That's incredible. 650 pips in 6 minutes. That was a crazy fucking move, guys. Holy shit. Damn. Lost it all. What do you mean lost it all? Why do you lose it all? We should use proper risk management all the time. Damn, so now we're 17-1. Shit. Shit, first loss. First loss on stream, guys. Fuck me. I've nearly lost 1k this month. Wow, what's up, dude? You should only risk as much as you have. Not as much as you should. You shouldn't risk more than 2% of trade. Yes, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I mean, I would have been better if we didn't just melt down 650 pips, but that was crazy, bro. That was insane. I've never seen such a big move. I literally just jumped on at 6:30. 6:30 was here. Fucking hell. That was like a 650 pip move in 6 minutes. That's madness, bro. Gonna make it back for us. I don't have to do nothing, bro. I don't have to do nothing. I've been 17 streams. This is a trade setup. 17 and 1, bruv. No, don't buy again. Until I say, no. I haven't confirmed anything. It was a good buying setup, but it absolutely just melted. Harrison Foster, what's up with that, dude? Why are you saying you got to make this back for us now? Like, what's up with that, dude? This is your first time on the stream? I've made so much pips on the stream that this is like baby, bro. This is baby pips. This is nothing compared to how much pips I've made over stream. Get it back for sure, bro. So many streams. Yeah. I don't know what's up with this guy. What's up with the hostility? You gotta make it back for us. Bro, I don't have to do nothing for you, bro. I don't have to do nothing. There's a trade setup. If you were, I will do what I do every single day on stream if I do it. And if I do my thing, people will make money. I'm not gonna cry over your loss, mate. It's also my loss as well, bro. Come with that attitude, bro. I won't stream, bro. I'll kick you from the stream one time, bro. I don't need you on this shit. Come with that negative attitude, bro. That's shit. Appreciate my chat coming in hot there, bro. Appreciate my chat coming in for the support. They know, the real ones know, bro. That shit can happen. Look, it is unfortunate. It is unfortunate. Like again, like I always told you guys, it actually, you know what? A loss does suck, but it was coming. You know, a loss is coming, and in every way, it does suck to hear. You know, but 17 streams, no losses. You know, it was bound that a loss was just around the corner. That's what I told you guys. It is a shit reality to think about, but I actually feel a bit relieved, you know, because there was so much pressure coming on because everyone's just like 18-0, 18-0, 19-0, 19-0. It was a lot of pressure, dude. I won't lie to you guys, right? Luke, how's the haters gonna hate? Just messing, bro. Yeah, no. I'm just joking. No. I just, you know, because I knew that there's gonna be a loss, guys. Like, I know it sucks. It fucking sucks. You know, it does suck. It's inevitable. It was just around the corner. Any stream could just be that stream that we get wrecked, right? It's inevitable, right? It's like I'm not 100% win rate. I know that for a fact. And again, I can actually breathe a bit, you know. As much as it sucks to hear you two guys, I can breathe a bit, you know. I feel a little bit better, you know. Can you talk us through the setup? Absolutely. I'm going to do that now. We got this guy, but what happens in trading? Losses suck, but we always bounce back up. Yeah, bro. 17 streams and no losses, bro. You guys have made pips, bro. Like, if you guys are not profitable after these streams, I don't know. I want to be looking for another sell because this is crazy right now. The volumes coming in is fucking nuts right now. I want to look, just wait, guys. I'll get back to the questions now. I just want to look for another potential entry here. I want to see how low we can actually drop. Came down to here. Trying to see if we can come down, tap into here. Let me see here. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna give you what you want. Time is waiting. You got 4 minutes to save the world. Hesitating. Yeah, just give me a second, guys. I just want to do something complete. That's a crazy fucking move though, dude. Damn. What the fuck? Look at that. That's crazy, bro. That timing sucks. That's all I got to say. From here, bro, that's a 150 pip move in 45 minutes, dude. What the fuck? Excuse my language. That's crazy, dude. Where did this come from? Was it news, right? Nah, this wouldn't have done anything. 5:30. Nah, there wasn't even news, bro. I mean, I do understand what's happening in the world right now. Fine, fair enough. But damn, 150 pips with nothing happening. Hasn't even been a bomb. Let's get back to this. Been in the stream twice and made good money. It was just messing, mate. Don't mean anything about it. No, respect, bro. Respect. I was just taking the piss. Don't worry about it. That is 94.12% win rate. 1 loss, 16 win. Yeah, some of them will break even, so I can't hold myself accountable. Like some, I would say 11 wins, 5 break even, 1 loss for now. Fuck, the stump is crazy. Let's pull back the shirt. Such happened to me earlier. Is gold the better currency to trade at maximum profit? Do you find? No. I feel like you can make the same amount of money trading other pairs. You know, I trade Euro USD, USD CAD, GPP, JPY. I trade multiple currencies. It just depends on what the best setups are, you know. There will be a quick buy for sure. Yeah, it depends. We don't know how far. Like this is where I think that gold can tap down into, especially with this volume for sure. I think we can easily come and tap down into that. Yeah, for sure. Tap into that liquidity. I don't even think we're coming down, but I think we can still come down even further. Let's get back. That's crazy. You reckon it's gonna rocket up? No, I do not reckon right now. I'm waiting for a setup, guys. Waiting for a setup. Again, we got a massive gap here, massive gap here. There's a few positions that we can take on sells. I am just waiting for, you know, price to obviously just fizzle out a bit. It's a bit crazy right now. Just give it some time. We don't have to just jump in or FOMO into any positions just yet. I'm looking for sells. I really want to target these levels. Now that we come down, there is like a bit of like almost not $100 range that we can come down to. Let's say like $80, $90, $80. So that's 800 pips that we can recover from this loss. This is pretty fucking big. There is another sell position like up here, 5188 around these levels. Like up here, but it's still quite high up. This is on the 15 minutes. Like, yeah, between this gap here. You see this gap between this candle? That'd be pretty good if we can get into that. But it's still quite high up. Now this would be another... See, exactly what, like almost what we pipped. Like 100 and... It's just crazy. I've never seen a dip like this. How long does it take usually to take calm? It depends. It depends. I don't know where this volume came from. This volume's crazy. There's no news, you know. It's insane. Like that dip down was fucking nuts, dude. 160 pips in like 30 minutes. You know, mate, use EMA when you look at trades. Yeah, sometimes. Like I do have the EMA here. Use as an indicator. So we traded well below the EMA on the 15 minutes. Check on the 4 hour. So guys, look at the EMA right now. Look at the 200-day EMA, exactly where I've told where price can tap into. This is where I expect price to come down to. I'm going to break down a little bit more of the chart, guys, because we're going to move pretty quick because I saw a break in structure on the 1 hour. You see, this was the break in structure over here. So if price is going to come down, at least tap into here, come back down to here, and come back up. But price just went, fuck that, clean traffic on the left-hand side, and we just pretty much broke through. Now, again, if you look at this over here, let's come over here. We know that price is targeting this liquidity. We're just coming down, smashing down, smashing down. We came down and tapped a little bit into that liquidity. Do I think we're going to still come down to 200-day EMA? Sure. Now, this is the sells that I'm targeting right now. I'm seeing if we can come down and see if we can get any position to tap into basically those levels. Use EMA. It seems like a massive manipulation. No fundamental reason for the drop today. Yeah, it's like I said, these next couple of days, I did say on Sunday already, I said that there's going to be a lot of manipulation. Like there's going to be a lot of swings on gold, because during these times in war, people like to just go, oh yeah, we're going to buy, gold's going to go up. So everyone's thinking gold's going to go up. Now look what it did, right? Since the news, right, we pumped up a little bit. We had this little gap, pumped up like 150, 1,500, or, $150, 1,500 pips. Now we've come down 4,000 pips already from that, So again, like everyone was bullish, right? This is what everyone predicts. Okay, news is going to come out. Gold's looking bullish. This is what's going to happen. And then boom, it's not doing that. So right now you can clearly see that's manipulation, because obviously people would say, what should my lot size be with the 50K, with the balance 50K? It depends. It just depends on if you want to risk, like, let's say 1% of that account. If you want to risk 1%, you're risking what? $50, $500? So you're risking $500 per trade. So it depends. If you're going to risk like $500, depends on what the total stop loss is going to be, right? So you got to work it out. Like if the stop loss is, let's say $10, using one lot, that's going to be $500. $10, yeah. $10 is going to be 500. Yeah. So like if you want to risk, like, let's say, you got to just work it out. Like if you want to risk 2%, what are you risking? 2%. If you're risking 50K, that would be $1,000. It all depends on the lot size. It depends on the amount of stop loss, right? So you can see price sort of fizzling out between this level, because you can see we're in between some sort of level right now. So what range we trade in between? This is the range that you trade between. So when is the next 4-hour closing? At 10. Let's see if we can get the next hourly close in the next 20 seconds. I feel like the market has been way too crazy to do any trades today. Risk is mental. Yeah, like I've said to some members, a lot of people are asking me, they're saying, Luke, well, how would you suggest to trade these markets? Extremely low risk. I wouldn't be risking, because you could catch big runners, right? So let's say, for example, we're in a sell there. You could have positioned yourself and said, okay, fuck it, we're in a sell, right? Let's run the sell down. Let's see how far we can go with the sell. You can just put your stop loss, remove your stop loss, and run your trade into profit the whole way down. Because that's the counterintuitive when the market's so crazy, right? So it could work in the opposite direction. Like you could be like, oh shit, like, yeah, we could understand that we're in let's say, a bearish market right now, but you could catch, like, being a sell, and you could be like, oh, fuck it, I'm just going to keep my position running, That's what's happening, yeah. Well, pretty unfortunate, guys, that, apologies to all the new people that just joined. Again, it can't happen. I've been on some people's streams, and, literally the first stream, they haven't lost a trade in like 20 streams, and then like the first stream they come on, they fucking lose, It's shit. Where would be the best place to enter? And we are still looking to go in for a short. Yeah, we're looking for shorts now. I'm looking to target these levels down below here, because I feel like we're in this range right now. If you look over here, see we're in this range. See, every time we bounce back up, we came back down. Tapped here, came back down. Now we pretty much bounce between this. Now we haven't filled this bottom of this range. I still think we're going to come down and fill that range. So I'm just looking for pretty much a sell right now. Again, a good sell would be up here. Like if we can get a nice, like let's say another manipulation candle pushing us to the upside. That would be a good sell. But until then, I'm just waiting for now. It has been a bit rocky. in terms of what just happened now. That's been insane. Insane. Check in what's happening there. Damn, that was wild. Fuck. What a shit way to have a loss, you know, straight up, just took us straight out, you know. Wasn't even fun. It wasn't even like a fucking, we didn't even have, so excuse my language, but jeez, guys, that was shit, man. It was like straight up bullshit, you know. Damn. What an absolute manipulation candle, that one. Straight up. Let's see if there's anything on the 5-minute we can capture here. Do have a little gap ski over here, I suppose. Price pushes up here. Could be another good sell. Let's see. There could be another selling opportunity. I'm pretty bearish up until... Oh, 1102. Okay, where this candle is. Let's keep this in mind for now. I'm pretty happy with this. Still pretty high up for us to tap into. 5103. Stop loss 5105. That's fine. Let's see. There's a lot of moves happening now. If we can push up another, let's say $30, which is quite a lot, this will be a good entry for us. If I'm looking on the EMA as well, yeah, let's see. What made you think that that was a reversal point? Well, I was looking on the 1 hour, right? If we look on the 1 hour, what was happening? Like, okay, we entered at, it was like, yeah, right? 2-1, yeah, somewhere in this candle it started to dip. And I do think we're going to come down, before I continue, I do think we're going to come down and tap into here, but I'm hoping we come up first, tap into this level first before coming back down. That would be an ideal play, guys. But until then, I'm not going to get into this because we're in the middle of a range and I don't feel comfortable right now. But basically, if you see this, right, let's draw this out, position. It's pretty much where we're looking at. Break between of this structure, a little bit above there. We came up. What was my exact entry? Let me just see here quickly. Two six. No, it was 117. 117, like here. Break of structure. You see that we came down. Now I was thinking we're gonna hold this structure over here, right? This was my thought. It's like, okay, cool. Come here, hold this structure at least. You know, there's a lot of volume between this area right over here. Thinking, okay, cool. At the minimum, we're going to tap, refill this, potentially fill up the gap. And bam! Absolute no respect to this level. A lot of volume. You could see a lot of plays. You know, we had a lot of structure being formed in this level. Absolutely not respected. Broke down straight up with the next candle and continued to push down. It's just one of those things. It's pure manipulation. Pure manipulation. It's just like there's no structure that got respected within those levels. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad. On a 10K funded account, what is a reasonable risk to reward and what reasonable lot size to use with a maximum daily loss of £300? What would you recommend? So it depends. What is your rules on the 10K funded? Is it, do you have any rules like how much daily drawdown? You know, what is the rules? And I can help you further with that. It depends. Different prop firms require different challenges, right? So it's hard to say. I need to know the rules of the prop firm, and then I can guide you through it. For me personally, I wouldn't risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. That's personally what I do. And that helps me keep maintained. You know, over time, we've built a good we've made a lot of lots. I would say at least over 1,000 lots, more than 1,000 lots trading live. And now this one was just unfortunate. Is what it is. It's shit, but fuck it, you know. Blame it on what's happening outside. No, I'm joking. I would never do that, but it's just one of those things, guys. It is unfortunate. Literally, if I streamed like 3 minutes later, we would have been fine, you know. But I still would have gone into the position so that maybe the loss wouldn't have been as big in terms of like our entry. But yeah, it just was just the timing, you know. Timing can be everything, right? I've been in a position where it's been the opposite. Like I've entered and it just melted out. Let me just put on the AC here. Don't be sad, guys. Don't be sad. Shit happens, right? Is what it is. Can never expect this type of candle to come through with no volume, no confirmation. I mean, this is just 1,180 pip move in a 1 hour candle. It's insane. It's insane. There's absolutely no justification for that. May I know you draw the levels. Like, how do you know that the whole size is support or resistance? It's a good question. So how I like to identify firstly support and resistance is like, okay, do we have enough levels in play, right? Is there enough, you know, levels that, you know, what is a resistance, right? What is a support? What is a resistance? Like, is there multiple touches on that resistance, right? Like, do we have how many touches do we have on there, right? 1, 2, like let's just use major, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 touches in there. Would you say that that's a resistance? I would say it's pretty good resistance, right? Now, what would you say is a support in this level, right? We come across here. So that's a pretty good support. Right? We have multiple touches coming in there. Some liquidity candles coming down. Some wicks. I would say we touch between here. We bounce pretty much between this level. So that you can establish a nice support and resistance level, right? Does that make sense to you? Okay. Pretty simple way of just understanding. If you want to be in my VIP, make sure to drop me a DM. I do have like a video that explains support and resistance in depth. But I hope this helps you understand. Mate, what is FEG and what does this mean? So it's a fair value gap, right? Meaning like, let me just show you guys, for example, like what exactly a fair value gap is. It's basically just a gap in the market. Like it means a gap where price pushes further. Like for example, like this over like 5078 from here. So over here, like this would be a gap, right? Because we didn't have this candle over here being formed. So you see this candle over here, like this candle, you see this wick here. Now on this side, we have a gap between here. Now, an FEG is formed, fair value gap is formed from like multiple candles. So it's generally like 3 candles pushing down, 1, 2, 3. And then there's a candle, but that's between, that doesn't fill like, how do you explain it? Like, how do you, let me see how to draw this and makes it easier. Say for example, like this candle was 3 candles, like 1, 2, and you got 3, right? And then let's say for example, like this candle over here didn't go like this and tap into these levels. So then basically you would have this candle over here or this candle over here would be like a gap between the markets. So this would be a fair value gap. When that price didn't come back and tap into this level before coming back down. That would be a fair value gap. So a fair value gap between here on a 15-minute time frame. Let's say like if you've got a 5 minute to make it easier, let me just remove this. Let me show you what is a fair value gap. So this would be a fair value gap over here. This over here. So from this candle to this candle over here, there's a gap, right? That'll be a fair value gap over there. That'll be your fair value gap. So that would be like a place where I'd enter. Now again, most people would enter at this point. So like logically, like some people would enter a little bit beyond that. So if we're going to enter, like I'd be happy to enter with this gap, but I'd probably wait a little bit further just because we have so much volume right now, right? Yes, daily drawdown on the 10k FTMO is £300. So that's 0.3%. Oh no, wait, no, that'll be 3%. Yeah, 3%. All right, so 3%. So you got 3% to play with. So don't risk more than 1% on a trade. So don't risk more than £100. So like you got to work it out between your whatever you want to enter with, depending on the stop loss. So if your stop loss is, let's say, like $10, right, and you do, like I said, it's like that. Sorry, let's say 113, for example. So let's say your stop loss is like that, it's $10. If you do one lot, it's going to be, or let's say if you do $10 one lot, it's going to be $1,000. So if you do 0.1, it's going to be $100, right? That move. So it all depends on the stop loss. So just the distance between the bottom candle to the bottom candle and the most bottom candle wick between the few candlesticks. Not necessarily. It doesn't always have to be candlesticks. I like to use full body closures, right? So if you are new here, I like to more use like full body closures. Like for example, like this. Like full body closures. Like this would be a support right over here, right? That looks like a nice support, right? Don't worry about this wick because that might be not relevant, right? If you come down here, it's not really that relevant. So I'd say more like that. And then you would use like a resistance. Let's say we're in this range. I'd say that's a good resistance right now. Between that, you know, because if we spread this apart, this support, how you can act it is this resistance could also act as a support. When you see them correlate, like the support and resistance, the one acts like if, let's say we break below that resistance level and that becomes your now support, that's great because now you got double confirmation, right? So you can see now this is acting as a resistance within this price range, but before it was acting as a level of support, right? I hope that answers your questions, okay? Okay. Let me check. Do you look for mainly support and resistance as a part of a strategy use, bro? No, not always. No, definitely not. I like to use ranges, right? So when I find a range, I like to more look for, as a range, I like to look for some key levels, and a key level can consist of a support and resistance. But then if I look for a support and resistance, I like to look for, let's say, I could also look for a, what's this word now? Oh, my brain's a bit fried now, right now. Yeah, a fib retracement. Sorry, I couldn't get that word. A fib retracement, an EMA. I look for more confirmations specifically on a time frame, right? Yo, Luke, you in the UAE? Yes, I am, sir. What's up, Kieran? How you doing? If you just joined out, great. You just missed a little bit of a loss, bro. But again, guys, I'm not afraid to admit it. You know, like that's one thing that I always instill on most of you guys. Like I am a very transparent dude, right? I'm a transparent trader. I'm here for the wins, I'm here for the losses, and I'm here for everything in between, right? If you want to join me, you join me. If you don't, then don't. But I'm going to be through the good times and the bad times. And I know some of you are now like, fuck, I lost a bit of cash. And I understand, dude. It's not easy, but this is a part of the game. If you're going to think that I'm going to go on 100-0 win spree, forget it. Maybe I would. Maybe I wouldn't, right? But that's just the way the cookie crumbles, man. Yeah, no, don't enter. No, don't. Have you entered it in a trade? No. We did, but we got wrecked. So we lost the trade. So we're 17-1 currently, unfortunately. So if you came now, great, because you missed the loss. So in your eyes, I'm still 17-0. No, I'm joking. Bro, I'm back. Some sketchy lag. What the fuck was that? Yeah, bro, it's mental. Bro, I hope you're safe there. I saw a lot of attacks. Send Owen my regards to. Will do, bro. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's not as crazy as it seems, bro. But I do appreciate that. Again, guys, probably looking like we're going to come down and tap into this level, 4970. Like I said before, I'm hoping that we come up. If we can come up, like, let's say, in the next... yeah, we still got to pump up like 70 pips. You know, it's a big move, right? Probably just going to come down and attack that level right now. Be bad to just enter on a FOMO position. Yeah, let me just see something here. Oh, we're gonna hunt down, yeah. Probably even come down even further, to be fair. The amount of volume pushing down can even come down there. Come down over here as well. Couple of key levels we got to watch out for, especially with this volume coming down. I just want some sort of pullback, guys, because I do feel like we're going to tap into this level 4973. So I'm just waiting for some sort of pullback before I enter, because I'm not going to enter on this candle right now, because at any point this can reverse, could come up and tap into this level again. While we came down, we saw that there was no structure on this side. This is why we're just pretty much breaking through that candle, green candles, and this is why just one red candle just ripped us all out. It is absolutely plummeting. What the fuck? Yeah. This is the time not to obviously FOMO. Stick to your rules. If you're a FOMO trader, enter. But if you're not, just wait, because you're not gonna. There's really no point in entering this right now. It's a bloodbath. We rather want to be on the safe side. On the safe side. Wait. See this? You see this 200-day EMA as well? Looking to tap into that before having some sort of bounce back. Now again, if we come down within the next, like in this, especially in this hour candle, next 40 minutes we tap down into there, it's not going to be good, you know, because then we already fold this range. Like our leverage right now is for us to come back up, you know, strong reversal, tap into a certain level and come back down. That would be good for us, because I still think we're bearish right now. It was crazy the whole week. Last week I was just saying how bearish I am. No, we did enter. We lost the trade. Not afraid to admit it, guys. We lost the trade. It sucks. Yeah. So if you just came now, bro, the crazy part is we entered the trade, and we literally in the span of 7 minutes we dropped, what was it, 1,000 pips. Insane, dude. That's crazy. Why 17-1, Luke? You didn't enter a trade yet, did you? I did, bro. I did miss a run. If you weren't here, Ilya made money on my long. It's like he was like, screw this guy. I'm gonna go whatever opposite this guy does, because there's no ways he's gonna be 18-1. He's gotta lose sometime, right? So fair play to Ilya. He caught me out. He was good. But congrats on the profits, bro. Win's a win, yeah. Shit. Guys, we move, right? It's just one of those things, man. It's one of those things. Don't worry. Be happy. I just want to send a little thing. Let's see if we can get some sort of bro, I got an interview for HM Land Registry tomorrow for IT Ops. Is that good for an internship? I don't know what that is, dude. To be dead honest. HM Land Registry. Is it here in Dubai? Damn, good timing, bro. Perfect time to get a job. No, but if it's good, the pay is good, it should be good. Have you entered a short already? Yeah, we got no. I haven't entered any short. Don't worry. Nothing just yet. I'm waiting for a better position, bro. I'm not gonna just jump into another position. That one was roof, as we say, roof. There's another one, 7-1, yeah. On the 1 hour, we do have another gap here, 7-1, 7-9. Yeah, I'd be happy with. Here's a little song I wrote. That's the same in no for no. Yeah, and you see, we're gonna pop up to here again, like. Yes, see, that would be not a bad shot. Or do you think we can absolutely mount down, like down to there at least? Let me remove this for now. I don't want to get people distracted. Let me remove this for now. Remove this for now. So see, I need some sort of pullback, guys, and then we in there like a bear, right? But for now, we're just gonna sit on our hands and just wait. Where you guys at? Oh, there we go. Why we push so low? Manipulation. Are there any buyers? What exactly are we waiting? Waiting for an entry, bro. I wish it was in the UK. Could you explain, show us a bit more about liquidity and volume? Yeah, sure. Yeah, well, like guys, a lot of you guys saw this move, right? I mean, go on the 1 minute chart to see this a bit clearer right now. Let's do this. I mean, this is just, if you're gonna ask me what is this, I'm gonna say that's manipulation. There's no two shits about that. There's nothing else you can really talk about with that. Why I think that happened is because if you look on the 4 hour and you look at where the 200-day EMA is, and you say to yourself, okay, cool, we're probably aiming down to tap into the 200-day EMA. Then you can see this price on the left over here. There was no traffic over here. Each time we kind of push down within this range, it's pretty much clean candles, clean candles, clean candles. Now, a lot of you guys are looking at and probably thinking, but Luke, if we did the same year, right, can we come down to this? Sure. Why not? What's up, Sir Cartier? Hope you well, brother. Sure, why not? I don't see why not. I think with the volume that came in now, again, there's obviously a deep level to target. We can see that the price come down there. That would bring us back to the 4K levels. We'd need a bit more volume than this. I think structure's going to play out. I think we pretty much, now if we look at this, we're pretty much stuck between this level now, I'd say. So, I'd say we're here right now. First structure being formed there. Yeah. Hey, Anna, how are you? No cooking tonight. What's the story? Ooh, Oh. Gonna sneeze. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that was just a crazy trade, man. There's nothing about it. Like I've got no words for it. Got no words for it, honestly. It was just one of those trades that just was unforgiving. There was it was crazy, like that push down was, I haven't seen a trade like that in months. Thank you for the bless you. I appreciate that. It was just yeah, wow. Wow. Here's a little song I wrote. That's the singing no for no. Don't worry. We gotta make some money. Sorry. Oh, see, try and see what else levels there are. 7-7, 7-4. Here's a level, yeah. Oh yeah, jet coming over now. Fucking don't do it, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just wanna have one more win before I go. Don't do it, bro. I can't leave on a I can't die on a loss, dude. Fuck that. Screw that shit. Where's this now? Hi Luke, I gonna go. Thank you for today. But yes, for the info or next time, I'm gonna cut on my kid now. Very good, very good. Very good. Enjoy your night, Anna. Enjoy your night. Keep her safe. Keep them safe. Guys, honestly, in the comments, tell me how you feel about that loss. I want to hear it. Honestly, just tell me. For me, it sucks. I'm not gonna lie. It's a hit for me. It doesn't feel good. I'm just being honest with you guys. It sucks. It really does. You know, the fact that, like, you know, we've had 17 really good trades, and then this one trade was just like brutal. You know, it was just insane, man. We're going for a long right. No, not right now. Not right now. Definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely not. Definitely no longs right now. If you are looking at longs right now, I don't know what you're looking at. Sucks, but gonna be a stronger comeback. Yeah. No, I feel that. I feel like that. Just like it was such a brutal way to have to break a win streak, right? It wasn't like even it was just a straight dump, you know? It wasn't even like let's have a bit of structure, let's explain what's nothing. Just let's absolutely murder this guy this trade. Right, screw him. That's what sucks the most about that trade. It was just brutal, you know. It sucks, but nobody is always gonna win. And if you're managing your lot size, you should be fine, and you're patient for the next one. Exactly. That loss sucks, but is what it is. We move on to the next trade. Facts. As long as you guys are good, like I'm always gonna be in good spirit. Like I know. Like I always told you guys, a loss is just around the corner. As much as you guys don't want to hear it, as much as I didn't want to say it because I don't want to manifest a bad aura. It just is what it is, man. You know, I knew that day was gonna come, and it's like shit. Luke, can you explain how to join your VIP? Do you need to make an account on a broker with your referral? Yes, sir. So yeah, the broker pretty much covers your entry, so it's pretty much free to join my group. Just drop me a DM if you're looking to get started, dude. Obviously, like we do have about 2 to 5 winning singles a day. It varies, you know, from time to time. Some days are good. Generally, our weeks are always good. We didn't even get it to TA. Literally nothing, dude. I was just like, I saw a good entry because I was like, okay, cool. I came back. I'm like, oh, fuck, the one I was looking solid for break of structure. This looking like a long bam. Boom. Like, but boom, mate. You know, ruthless, bro. Damn, man. Depressing. Do you know what, guys? Like I said, we cried together, right? We cried together. We moved together. Price push it up. We could get a short. I'm just waiting for I'm just waiting for yeah, it's crazy because I'm still like I'm trying to trade, watch the news, what's happening in terms of like what's happening in the world. Oh, is anything happening on the side? Trying to trade. No excuses, guys. I'm not making any excuse for the loss. Don't worry. It is what it is. See, maybe like 8787. Like somewhere, yeah. This would be like a 15-minute. I don't know. I'd feel like better taking a sell up, yeah. It's quite high up. Still quite high up, man. 4.2 RR is pretty good. Hi, I'm glad to see you streaming again, brother. Big respect. Thank you, brother. Especially on a day like this. Yeah, obviously, I didn't want to disappoint anyone today. I knew it was probably not the best time to stream, but yeah, dude, I didn't want to let you guys down. You know, it's a responsibility from my end to come on and stream, regardless of what's happening. If I'm still able, I'm still functioning. I think it's still a duty of mine to come on and stream for you guys. I know it means a lot for you guys. It means a lot to me as well, especially the support. And yeah. Okay, I'm on PU Prime, but we'll send you a DM. A friend of mine is in your VIP and he told me your signals are crazy. Yeah. I appreciate that, bro. Much respect. Thank you very much. Yeah, the VIP signals are crazy. Even the free group is crazy. It's just like don't obviously take this trade as like my personality. It is what it is. We've been 17 trades. I'm not gonna keep bringing it up. I don't need to keep bringing it up. We move on now. I might. The next one could be bad. Next one could be good. Someone sent me a trade there. What's going on here with the trade, bro? Someone sending a trade setup. Have you ever aggressively scalp chasing? Have you ever aggressively scalp chasing small pips? Enter, close, enter, close. Yeah, I have. But if we're gonna do that, you got to do it on like a 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, right? It's like you're gonna be quick. There's gonna be a lot of trades, and remember, I still gotta, for me to capture, like, let's say for example, because a scalping strategy, right, is only profitable if you can enter, let's say, X amount of trades, right? Because you got to enter a few. You got to be entering like, let's say if you enter like 5 trades a day or 10 trades a day on scalping, let's say 1 to 5 minute charts, and you got to enter like what, like, to, let's say, get a positive RR or whatever the case is, you got to enter, let's say 7, you got to win like 50%, 60%, 70% of your trades. Now, for me to send 7 trades while on stream, send it, enter it, and exit it, it's like many people are not going to get the same entry. We might, it might already hit TP by the time I send it. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be a nightmare, But legit, I saw what you say and entered before you did. I was at 5130. Oh shit. Yeah, I was like 5117. So mine was pretty rough. Only lessons. Markets are crazy today, brother. Yeah, they're wild. They're wild. I mean, I don't think it's as crazy as I think. It's just like the problem was like, dude, that was just sign a kind of full, man. I'm speechless after that move. It was brutal, man. Brutal. Looking even at another pair now. See if like eurusd or something in store or something, man. It's like I want to get in another fucking trade, man. I want to make that money back. I know. I'm not trying to. Don't worry. I'm not trying to like make back the money and shit like that. But I just like feel like they fucked me over, bro. We could also have a trade on Euro USD. Yeah. Euro USD is looking hot. I'm just looking on my second screen because I want to keep gold open there. Let me just check here if we enter here now. Okay, let me just see. Might have an entry on Euro USD. I know we don't trade this often, but like I'm checking at Euro USD. Ooh. Yo, Euro USD is just melting as well, dude. Damn. No slight push up now. Still be bearish. Looking at something else like another pair what we can trade since we're waiting. Just trying to give you guys some action. Mr. JPY, how you doing? Mr. JPY. How you doing, JPY? Seriously, JPY is pumping. I'm just looking at alternatives, guys, here on my side screen, just checking if there's anything interesting to show you guys. Not really seen much hotness yet. It looks like every pair is just pumped or dumped, you know, during that time. I don't know what the fuck happened. In an absolute roller coaster, bro. Goodness gracious. It looks like USD JPY buy, but Euro USD dump. I don't know, I'd rather wait for a better position, to be fair. A few trades in the VIP. Wait, sorry. A few trades in VIP already. TP before I can enter the trades. Yeah, it depends on the volume, bro. Like you saw there, like I was typing the signal to my VIP. By the time I even sent it, we were in stop loss. It was crazy, right? Like I was literally typing it out, and like, okay, the VIP members didn't get the trade because I literally couldn't even type it out in time. Where's my background relaxing music? Yeah, I think we need the relaxing music, man. Let me just see what's on here. We need some of that good, man. That relaxing music, man. YouTube, copyright, relaxing. Chilled music, chilled. Yeah, is that volume fine for you guys, yeah? Let me know. Is it something to like, you know, like after absolute melting. Sorry, Ilya, you were asking. Yeah, just to answer your question, Danny, you saw what just happened now, dude. Like, I was saying, especially this week, guys, it's gonna be fucking madness. Like, if you're not looking at your phone, unfortunately, like, you know, all the time, you know, every minute or every 5 minutes, there is a chance you're gonna miss a possibility. Lower a little. All right. Pop a little bit lower. That good? Cool. All right. Yeah, so like I was saying, Danny, the problem is it's just like you seeing the volume that's happened. Like I'm showing you in real time how quick things are moving, dude. Like sometimes by the time I send a signal, it's already in TP1. Like, but like I'm typing it. Like I'm typing it already. I can't change what the entry was, right? But it's very rare. It's rare that happens. It's not all the time. I try and get it before the entry happens, but sometimes the move just goes like straight up. You know, like goes down. I see it hit into the place, send it, boom, spikes. So it's tricky, you know. Don't worry, each loss you can say you have a pink 63. Yeah. Guys, what's up, guys? I might have lost a pink call. So I don't care what anyone says. Everybody, cheers. Cheers to you, bro. Cheers to you, bro. Possibly a very long buy trade on Euro USD. Nah, I don't think so. I think it's bearish at the moment, dude. I'm not really that bullish. I'm not really. Don't look at one 15-minute candle and say we're bullish. It's gonna wreck you. I also think we're bearish. Look at this, bro. You think this is bullish? Damn. Bro, you're gonna get wrecked. Let's tap exactly that level there as well. We in a trade? No, not right now, bro. Not right now. Hey mate, sorry. Are you in a position? No, not right now. Love the content, Luke. And thank you. Appreciate you, bro. Yo, your mic left foot is only through the... Yeah. If you just joined, I said there's bigger problems in the world right now. I will try and get that fixed as soon as possible. I'm just trying to dodge, you know, coming across my head and shit, you know. So I did order another piece. Hopefully it comes by Thursday for the next stream. Now waiting for any short setup. I'm not in any position. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What I always say, patience always pays, gents. Patience always pays. Right now, we need to come up. I'm expecting, I want a nice little, you know, if we come up a nice little top wick somewhere, somewhere in this range. I want a confirmation that we're not going to close back into this level, tap back in here. This is something I want to go through. Can you go through it? The Fibonacci 2. Yeah, sure. I'll do that now. You're not been getting any sleep, Luke, with all that bullshit. Yeah, bro. Nah, to be fair, I've been sleeping, bro. This morning I was up at 4:30. One morning I woke up at 8:30 with bombs. Legit, literally that was my alarm clock. I was like, yo, what a way to wake up, bro. You know, I thought I was dreaming. I was like, I woke up. I was like, fuck, am I in fucking Afghanistan right now? You know what I mean? And I heard it again. I was like, oh no, this is fucking real. It's my life right now. Fucking, we living here, bro. We are fucking surviving, dude. But yeah, no, it's pretty calm, mate. It's not as bad as it's more interceptive missiles. It's nothing really to worry about, dude. You're pretty safe being out here in Dubai. I'd say no problem. You know, just got to be a little bit cautious. You know, I think you got more of a risk there in London or something being stabbed. But yeah, still looking for a little position. I'm gonna go to the Fibonacci right now. Just trying to see if I can find a little position, bruv. If we're gonna have some little confirmation for us to push back up. Was this the low point? Oh, there was one. Fuck. That was pretty loud, man. We're still here, boys. We're still here. I heard a little fucking... Possibly, sorry, I need to check. Possible of very long. Oh no, wait, sorry. It happened to me. His background is using Lincoln Park. Yeah. Now we're waiting for any short. Can you go to the Fibonacci tool? Yeah, sure. So, basically how Fibonacci works, right, is we take it from a swing low to swing high. Like, let's say, for example, we're in a bullish market right now, and let's say we take let's say this is a swing low. Can even go from down here, even if it's the swing low. Take it down to here. It's gonna be obviously a big move because it's like crazy. You can start to see like where it can come basically up to, right? Now, again, how we develop the levels is, let me just remove this. A bit hard to see with so many lines here, but you see how like basically you see what price comes up to, right? So we price swing low to swing high over here. Let me just do my arrow. Where is my arrow, bruv? Oh, yeah. Okay. Swing low to swing high. Alright. Price came from here. Now we look for key levels. Do you guys see this? The 0.5 or 0.618. I know there's a bit of shit going on in my chart. I'm keeping it there for now so you guys can see the levels. See that price came down. Tapped into here. Obviously now we came down and broke down even further below the 618. See, now your stop loss would be below here. So technically if you enter on a 4-hour swing trade, right, your stop loss will be below that. You would say, okay, well, my entry would be at a 0.618 level or 0.5. So maybe you'd have an entry here. So you see we tapped on here. So we probably would enter at 0.618. You'll come down, close in, stop loss, back up. So technically, in this move, technically, you would still be bullish, right? You can see that the price is pretty bullish, right? It's bullish, making a lower high. Plus continue driving back up, right? So if you look at the 4-hour, we're still pretty bullish for now. Although we just had a 4-hour bearish candle, right? Am I able to copy what you do into my MT5? Yeah, of course. What is this music, bro? Wait. This is maybe too frisky, mate. I feel like... No, I don't want to play the same stupid thing. Put a little bit softer. Yeah, you can... Adam Sullen. You go, boy. Go, Adam. I'll back you, brother. Adam the Suller. I wish you nothing but the best. Mashallah, habibi. I'm waiting. I want to see if this was just a... For me personally, this could be the manipulation, because do I think that gold's going to absolutely skyrocket at some point? Yes. So is this the bottom wick for us to continue to drive back up? Could be. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the next Mahusab move. So if I had to enter, like, let's say we break above here now, could give us a confirmation that we could start going back up. Then I'm going to run this up. Then basically what I'm going to do, delete this, say fuck that, and then I'm going to run this up. And this is going to be a big boy. So let's say, for example, we can close above there, for example. This I'm going to aim high, because I think we can come up. I just want to check something here. Where was the previous highs? So we can take out these previous highs for sure. So my stop loss wouldn't be there specifically. So this would be a bigger stop loss because it's a big move. So my stop loss would be somewhere below these levels. Yeah. So I'd say if we come below there, we're pretty cooked. Doesn't mean I come further down, but that would be a pretty safe point for me. And then it's gonna be a pretty big boy play. So let's even close above here. Then I'm gonna take a long. Anyone exploring Lexavana for signals? Who that? Who'd Lexavana? Any good? Tonight, see what the fuss is about. Yeah, I think we're bullish. I think we're bullish. I think this was pure manipulation. I think the price just wanted to whack out all those little long positions, including us, right? I don't want to say I'm innocent here. I want to be like, yeah, I'm one of them. Raise your hand if you got wrecked in a long today. Oh, my name's Luke, and I got wrecked in a long today. It's crazy. You know what the funny part is? You know what the catch is, right? Is that we were shorting in a bullish market and we did well. We tried a long in a bullish market and we got wrecked. How fucking crazy. How weird is that? How does that make sense, dude? Like, what? Someone explain that shit to me. The math ain't mathin' over there, dude. What happened? I want to capture this long. In the next... I'm going to go big boy on this one. How many pips is this? It's going to be 5,300 pips! Could I get a booyah in the building? If we get a 5,300 pip move on a gold trade, I don't want to hear any of you crying to me anymore. I want you all, guys are going to come, even though Dubai airport is closed, you guys are going to come to Dubai and kiss my toes, alright? That's what you guys are going to do. If I catch you guys a 5,300 pip move, alright? Is that a deal? Each of you, my left toe, my right toe, my pinky toe. That's what you guys are going to do for me. No, I'm joking. Don't expect that anyway. But that'll be a fucking crazy move, bruv. Sheesh. I'm trying to think like where would my stop loss be? 8-2. Nah, stop loss would have to come down further. I'd put it below. The reason because of that, because I just spotted a daily. I'm in a daily. I'm gonna go big here, boys. I'm gonna enter here. I'm not even gonna wait. We're pushing up now. I'm entering here. We're entering the biggest gold trade of your career. 8-3. Is that fine? I'm gonna say yeah. I'm gonna be safe. What is my RR on this trade? It's gonna be pretty. I just wanna make sure. Yeah, it's a 2. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss here. That's fine. At 2.3. It's gonna be a big move, boys. All right, swing trade of 2026. We're going in. So I'm entering here now, guys. 7-8. No, I'm not yet. No, wait. I'll tell you exactly what my entry is gonna be. Guys, put your stop loss here. It's gonna be a very, very long position, right? I'm entering now at approximately 7.6, 7.5. It's ranging because now I'm in 7.9. So I got in at 7.6, around 7.6. Around there, yeah, cool. 7.6. Final TP is going to be up here. It's going to be a big swing play. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to buy since 503 now. Yeah, I'm entering a long, a very, very big long. It's going to be a 5,200 pip move, bro. Woo! Damn! Where did we get this move? I want to get motherfuckers in the hizzy on this trade, bro. Let me just send it to my swing group. I'll give the exact TPs and all of that now. Just give me a second. It is a swing move, guys. I'm gonna type it out. I gotta send it to my swing group first, guys. You guys can see on the chart like where it is. I'm gonna remove that. You guys can see I entered at 7.6. It's a daily move play. 5086. Or like, I mean 50. TP1 I'd say is around 5.1. No wait, it says around here. That's such a big move. 5130. 5130. Yeah, 5130 is TP1. Gonna have 4 TPs in those. 5210. It's gonna be a big boy move. We back, boys. We're in $7,000 profit. Okay, but I'm not getting excited. But we cool. Let me just send one. Guys, this trade that I sent above is a daily move. Pay attention to the exact levels from the stop loss to the take profit and the exact key levels, right? Because this is a massive move. I've officially turned bullish. I feel like this candle that came down was a manipulation candle. I still think we're extremely bullish due to the fact this is happening in the world right now. So if you're going to trade this position, make sure to use the correct lot size because this is going to be a big move. Can take long to play out. I've captured this live on my YouTube, so let's see how this trade plays out, guys. But please trade this cautiously. What about stop loss? Stop loss is, yeah. So you want me to type this out? Give me a second. Type it up for you guys here. Entry, my exact entry was, when I told you guys, was 5076. Stop loss is at 4865. Remember, guys, it's a big move, right? TP1 is gonna be at $10,000, $11,000 profit, boys. Sheesh! We're so back, boys. You thought I was done. You thought that little move's gonna take me out. Sheesh! I'm just getting started. Five one three oh. Five two one oh. TP3 is gonna be. Remember, guys, big move. Anything can happen, right? So it could take long to play out. TP4 is gonna be the biggest one. I can't wait to come back. This could even take a couple hours, couple days to play out, guys. We've seen what's happening in the market right now. It's crazy right now. But this is my trade. Incoming drop before, I believe. I know, Adam, I'm sorry. I know you were in a stop loss is here. Everything's here, guys. I know you were in a long. Again, we could drop before we come back up, for sure. There's definitely a possibility. But let's see. I think this is a daily move, so it could take long to play out, right? You gotta be loud as fuck. Because I'm already up. I was getting necked. That trade necked me, bro. Now we're up 10 bands, 100 bands, 50 bands. You know, already bands. Shoot. Let's push, baby. You know, they might have wrecked me on the way down. You take me on the way down. All right? We're already up 200 pips on this trade. You know what's funny is like that trade we entered, right, was, what was it? How much was that down? 5070. It was about 80 pips drawdown. Sorry, 800 pips. So if we come back up now, about 800 pips. So, no, it was like 70 pips drawdown. It's still good to enter now. It's a swing move, bro. So, like, it depends. Like, this trade could still come down. We're already up, like, 230 pips. So, we got to come up to, like, yeah. So, once we come up to, like, yeah. Yeah, once we hit like around TP1, we already made that loss back. So all we need is a TP1, and then we already made our loss back. Easy as. Then we go to TP2, TP3, and TP4, and then your buyers are gonna come and kiss my toes, bro. If I call this biggest play, bro, this monstrosity of a move. Bro, this is going to be like 5,000 pips, bro. Jeez. Oh. Guys, all I'm asking, if I'm right on this move, you guys call me the best gold trader alive. And then I'll come back. I'll come back and stream. No one calls a big play like this, bro. And good guys, don't worry. It's not like I'm trying to like recover my loss or any of that bullshit. It's like, this is still a valid trade, right? We're pushing. Bro. Yeah, very good. 5068. Yeah, mine was, that's good. It's good. My entry was 5078. Sheesh. Up 20 bands, bro. Almost 16,000. We're gonna make this back, bro. I don't know. Why are you guys stressing, dude? Why are you guys stressing, dog? Bro, we're up 300. What's this? 330 pips already. They wanted to wreck us. You want to wreck us, bro? What do you think this is? Think this is a game? Well, bro, we're just getting started. I know it looks like a big move. Like, once we're above here, we're going to start moving stop loss, like, to break even and all this shit. Like, once we start to move above. But, like, as long as we close here, the next 10-minute candle, like, we are proper pushing, eh? Damn, look at that shit, dog. It's looking sexy, eh? Damn, sexy girl, what are you doing there? Push, baby, push. Damn. How many did you lose on that loss? I lost around, like, luckily I'm not trading, luckily on these big ones, I'm not trading big. I lost around 18 grand. And now I'm up 22. So it's cool. We cool, bro. Entry store open. Nah, we're too much in the trade already. You see me crying? See me crying about a little loss, bro? No. Yeah, you want to wreck us, gold. You want to wreck us. But then when we come back for the vengeance, bruv, you better be ready. Alright? Bro, how crazy is that? We literally just got, like, absolutely wrecked by a thing. And now we're up. Bro, that's crazy. Wait, 7.6. We're up, like, literally peaking at, like, 400 pips on this trade, bro. That's crazy, dude. Dude, active trade free. Who is this guy, dude? Forex S20. What's up with your Lexivana, bro? Who is this? Lexivana. Does anyone know Lexivana in the building, bruv? I know LMB. Does anyone know anyone Lexivana? Please raise your hands if anyone knows Lexivana, because Forex S1Q is very concerned about Lexivana. I think they might be lost right now. If anyone knows Lexivana, please help a brother out. I don't know Lexivana. Drew Zizovat. Bro, casually making 20k. Wow, yeah, struggling to make a blown account. My blown account back to $500. Bro, high risk, high reward, right? I just lost almost 17,000. Lexivana. I don't know. This guy's asking. Yeah. Active traders. Anyone exploring Lexivana for signals? I think he's trying to snipe my community. My community doesn't go fucking anywhere. Alright? My community doesn't go to Lexivana. They don't even know who Lexivana is, bro. Lexivana can... whatever the fuck that means. My chat is undefeated, mate. So my Lexivana, mate. Lexivana, my nuts, mate. Lexivana on these nuts. Yeah, but you say that like, bro's casually making 20k while I'm here struggling making my blown account back. Bro, I've been there. I literally, while on that trade with you guys, I literally just lost 17 grand. So, how did that make me feel? On a Tuesday, while everything's going else in the world, life couldn't get any better, right? And then I lost 17 grand on top of that. Great, right? Here in the wrong stream. You know, factual, bro. Factual. Account balance of 164 USD. Good to keep trading or deposit? Depends what your goals are, bro. What did you start at? Wrong number. Sorry, brag. You got the wrong number. This ain't your chat. What are you coming to do here, bruv? Get your own community. What time frame you on, bro? I am currently on the 5 minute because I want to see the price. You know, I like to see candles move. Can even go on the 30-second. When you're in a trade, you know, I like to go like this, bro. Let's go on the 5-second chart, bro. This is like super exciting, bro. Because people panic, you know. Hey, stop playing with me, dog. The 5-second, what is this? The 5-second sick. Because it looks like when it pumps, it like really goes crazy, you know. Lexivana, these nuts. I'm currently on the 5-second chart. That's how we trade in this building, bro. We risk takers over here, bro. We crazy motherfuckers. We like out here. I love it. You guys probably looking, bro. The price is dropping, bro. Remember, it's the 5-second chart, right? So when it moves like it's probably only moving by like 50 cents. Okay, now it's moved by like. Damn, we peaked out quite a bit there. We're pumping, boys. We're pumping. All right. I want to see it pump because it's gonna be like cool. If it pumps like $10, it's gonna be like a really crazy run, right? 5 minute. No. I was just on the 5 minute chart. I trade on the 15 minute, 1 hour as well. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes. Damn, I think the 1 second chart. What you talking about? Yeah, 1 second will be wild, dude. We need it to like pump because otherwise it's a little bit scary when it's not pumping, you know. There's 1 second, like when it's dumping, it looks like really scary, you know. Go, pump. Pew, 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 pew. Pump, boy, pump. 1 second pumpage, brother. Let's go. Imagine how crazy that drop would have looked on like a 1 second chart. Jeez, dude. 1 minute time frame is for men, yeah. Yeah. The 1 second is for the real men. This is for the warriors, bro. 1 second. Dun, dun, dun. Shit's crashing, bro. Crashing, bro. So let's see, like, let's get back to reality because I need to see what's actually happened here. I need this candle to close in the next 15 minutes above here, though, on a serious note. I don't want us to close back in here because we can come back down and we tap into there and fucking boring, mate. Boring. Don't want to do that. As long as we close back above here, I'm pretty Gucci. Like above, yeah, 104. 104. Scary charts, dude. Any pair, Luke. Gold causing heart attacks. Yeah. Bro, I think you one of many, dude. I think people either made a shit ton of money this week or they've got absolutely wrecked, bro. Scary charts for real. When I want some adrenaline, I pump up on a Red Bull and check 1 minute chart. Yeah, literally, bro. Yeah, like if I'm really feeling excited, dude, I just go on the 1 second chart and I just like, no, I was gonna say something really bad, no, forget about it. But it's my first time on your stream. It's been a blast. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate it. Hope to see you on the next one. Don't come one time and never again, bro. I'll remember you, Drew. I remember you, bro. Come on, let's pump. Let's tap into 15160 while on the stream, bro. If we pump into that while on the stream, I'll be happy. TP1, I'll be Gucci, bro. I'll be Gucci, Gucci. 5130, When did we come up to? We almost tapped into TP1, to be fair. Damn, we're actually really close. 5130. We're actually like really close to tapping that TP1, bro. To be fair. About 40 pips off. What's next? Defo next time. I swear I saw that as defo not next time. I was like, jeez, okay. Shit. Damn. Sorry, bro. Come on, let's tap into 5130. Alright? You brutally destroyed me today, gold. Like, that was like unforgiving, dude. Like, it wasn't even funny. It wasn't even funny, dude. Like, that was not fun at all. Like, that was like the most painful drop. And to do it live, I think it was even worse. I would have rather have, alright, we closed above 5104. I'm happy with that, around above that range. I would have rather been that, but now think about it, like, would I have rather had that be like a slow burner? Or like, was it actually fine that it was just like one quick brutal dump, mate? So now we can just move on. Imagine we had to slow burn all the way down there, knowing we're going to hit stop loss, right? I don't know what's worse. I'm actually okay with that, I'm actually okay. Because, like, irrespectively, if we're going to lose it quick, right? Like, I don't want to be there, like, just sitting and crying. XAU trying to trickle us. Yeah, but, dude, I've been played once in my life, dude. Sure got sore ass from that drop, bro. You think your ass is sore, mate? My ass is burning, mate. Like, I didn't even have toilet paper in the room, mate. I didn't even have enough in the apartment for that shit, bro. Like, I felt like I ate, like, fucking sriracha, mate, for weeks, bro. That really burnt my ass, mate. Like, fuck. Ring stings for life, brother. If you guys are obviously enjoying the stream, please make sure to drop the like. I really appreciate that support, dude. It helps me out a lot. Helps out the algorithm. Yeah, dude. Appreciate that shit. I want more to say. Nah, I want that quick slap instead of a slow burn. Yeah, dude. It's better, man. As much as it sucks, like, right. When we sit in there dragging, dragging drop by drop, no candle to the upside, no wicks. It's just, you're just there like, just take me out already, bro. You know, it's like, that's worse. It's worse. Watch it, Addy. Let me send me some toilet paper. I need to go. I think I'm gonna go smoke some shisha after this, bro. I think I need a pint and a shisha, bro. That sounds good. I haven't had a beer in a while, man. I've been drinking, bro. I think ages. What's stop loss again? Yeah, no worries, dude. Let me sort that out for you, dog. Here we go, dude. On my screen. Pop it over there. Can even make it a little bit bigger for you, bro, if you want. There we go. Time to put your toilet paper in the fridge. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Have you guys ever done that? I haven't tried that, bro. I think it'll actually be pretty good. Bitcoin is pumping, I think. Nah, it's doing alright. Sleeping. Sleep, my boy. Let gold pump a bit. Slow burn makes me feel depressed and lose my focus as I was doing some TA and get some smart trades going. Yeah, the same, bro. I feel the exact same. Like you when you're in a slow burning trade, you just like, you forget what like you're doing, bro. You forget how to talk English, bro. You're just like, trade, I don't know. Like, you just like, you don't know what you're doing, bro. Because you're just so hyper locked in that trade. Your whole life's revolved around that trade. And it's just like, you know it's going to hit stop loss. You just don't want it to hit stop loss, but you know it's going to hit stop loss. You're just like, come on, if you're going to do it, just do it already, right? Is gold going to drop a bit first? I think this was the candle, bro. In my opinion, if we break this wick, we could see a little bit more drawdown. But as long as we don't break that, I'm good. I'm good. I'm happy. I think we might have caught the bottom. For this rally specific, right? Can we still come down a little bit, like, let's say, for example, like down to here? Sure. As long as we don't break that, like, I'm pretty happy with our entry, right? I've risked my entire account. Gee, damn, dog! What's up with that shit? Risking your entire life on my trade. Shit, this guy must have a lot of faith in this. For me, it's just another trade, bro. Anything can happen. I wouldn't do that, bro. That's not financial advice, but I wouldn't do that, bro. Every trade should be treated the same way. Okay. Could I ask, what was your entry? Mood day 8259. 8259. Why your stop loss? When your stop loss is hit, does this mean that even if your TP1, even if you hit TP1, you still lose a lot more than the stop loss, right? Yeah. So like, if for example let's say for example, like we go up on this trade, right? We hit TP1, and I say, hey guys, move stop loss to break even. Now again, you've got a choice, right? You can either take profits there at TP1, because that's already, if we hit TP1 from here, you're gonna be 520 pips. So you're really quite big on the move, right? And if I say, hey guys, move stop loss to break even, secure some profits there, and then move stop loss to break even, make it a risk-free trade, and let the trade run. But if, for example, you don't move it, and then we obviously hit stop loss, and you only took profits there, and you didn't close at break even, yeah, of course, the stop loss, the loss is going to be way bigger, because you only made, for example, let's say 520 pips for almost 200 pips, 2,000 pips drawdown. So yeah, it's like a 52, it's like a 1-2 at the moment. TP1's like a 1 negative 0.5, 0.3, somewhere around then. One time made me phrase out some Bible verses. Yeah, bro, I've been there. We've all been there. I'm gonna sell on GPP USD from 1.9 It's 1.90. Wait, sorry, jeez. This bright light's in my face. It's hard to see numbers. I think I need glasses, dude. 1.90292. Let me have a look for you. 5068 is my entry. So you up a nice little from 5068. How did you guys get a better entry than me? You fucking guys, you guys are making more money than me, yeah, dude. How did you get that entry, dog? So you up like almost 500 pips on that trade. So if you entered one lot, you'd be up like 5 grand. Literally. Active risk management. Let me, bruh. BE stop loss. You agitating me with the entire account type trade. That's a big boy trade. Liquidity grab, bro. Yeah, but don't, bro. Like, again, it's not financial advice. It's just for everyone out there. Guys, never risk a full balance for a single trade. Like, I thought this guy said me, bruh. I don't know. How did you say that? Bruh? Bruh, stop this to break even. It's awesome, man. We don't do that over here. Sorry, I needed to look at a specific pair for you, my guy. Do you know what, guys? I'm going to tell you guys openly before I look at the pair. I feel good that I lost today. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm glad we got it out the way. I was so pressurized by this winning spree, dude. You don't understand. I was stressed, dude. Every time you guys are like 18-0, 17-0, 16-0. That's stressful, my guy. Imagine. I'm stressing, dude. Now it's out the way, like, what now? What now? Damn, we are pumping here, bro. We are pumping the motherfucking easy. Woo! Almost at 30 racks. 30 racks, dog. Woo! What about, sorry, 1-800, you just lost 16 grand. Bro, call the motherfucking bank now. Tell them, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The money came straight back in my account. Ring, ring. Hello. This is XAU Long speaking. Yes, what up? You're up 30K. Boom. Thank you very much. Drops the motherfucking mic. Okay, we just changed the pair when I dropped the mic. So we do. Yeah. 1-0. Now we start again. 1-0. So now we go back. I like that. I like that, Drew. That's sick. Now we back, bro. Now we 1-0 again. Never know, but do no. I don't want to start this. I don't want to start this winning spree shit, bro. I'm done with that shit, bro. It's too much pressure, man. It's too much pressure. I'm not in the trade yet. Am I too late? You are definitely late, bro. Unfortunately, we are currently up. Well, some people got in at like 6-8, bro. So let's say like 7-0 for the average population. Bro, we're almost up like 500 pips on this trade. It's crazy. You're welcome. Wait, let me just see. Sorry, I needed to go back. Guys, just chill out for a second. I need to look at this chart. Someone asked me. No, you made me lose focus on this dude. Where you at, bro? Ask me to look at a chart for you. I don't like to disappoint. Bro, how much are you guys talking to me? Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me here. Bro, I can't even find this guy's thing, dude. No. Is it like not that high up? What? Oh, no, yeah. Sorry, I found it. GBP AUD. Oh, shit. Okay. Do I even trade that, dude? GBP AUD. I don't think I've ever traded that, dude. Let's go have a little peek ski. GBP. Bro, am I retarded, mate? Wait. GBP, yeah. Guys, sorry, I've been through a lot today, alright? Just give me time. AUD, yeah, here we go. On the bright note, bro, we are fucking pumping. We are pumping. Alright? We are pumping on this motherfucking trade. I told you. Look, I don't wanna be too large in case this guy hears me. This fucking motherfucking gold over here. He hears me. Because now he's listening to me now. Now he's listening to me again. But listen, we're not gonna keep this between us in the chat here. We are raking this motherfucker right now. This guy got nothing on us, dude. Give me my money back. Give me my money back, bro. You took a lot for me today. You son of a gun. Wait, no, let me lock in. I'm joking. I can't be talking so much shit here. So you said you took I'm gonna sell on GBP AUD from 1.9. Let me just get that exact level. 1.9 0292 somewhere around here. Exactly, yeah, just a bit like one pop up. That is a very good sell, my friend. Well done. Your kids must be happy right now. It's a good move. You must be chilling, bro. What you need my help with? You making money, dog? What do you want me to say? I'm proud of you. Because I am. Very happy. Want me to have a look at analyst. Well, I mean, we are absolutely bearish. Like, geez, bro, this chart is not like this. Absolutely. I mean, this is perfect price action right here, eh? Do you guys think it's bullish? Think it's going to be bullish anytime soon? Absolutely not. We'll top wick up there and just continue. I mean, this is so bearish. Damn, just look at this, dude. It's on the 4-hour chart. Where are we going down to, though? Probably down to this level, yeah. Probably hold all the way down there. You got a good entry, bro. Especially if we don't see any price. Like, I would just start to be concerned once. Again, we did have a 4-hour closure above there. But again, we came up for a top wick, grab liquidity within these levels. So, wouldn't be too fussed about that right now. I like this top wick up here. That makes me happy. So we're going to put a smiley there, because I like that. That's a cool little emoji. I'm happy for that. Happy for the top wick. If you guys didn't get that expression. Yeah, look here. Like, I mean, there's pretty much clean traffic down here. Should just tap down to here. We're in the middle of this range now. Come down here. Already broke below these levels. Don't see why not. I don't see why we need to have any momentum. I'd hold this, bro, to be fair. What's your stop loss? Up 2k. Well done, my brother. Well done, my brother. XAG USD. Silver. Want me to analyze the silver chart? Should have a video somewhere. I've got so much meme coins. This is my meme coin era. Look at this. Fucking hell, bro. That was when I was addicted to meme coins. Silver, the good old silver, the 46 years later silver. Oh, jeez. Probably just recreating what gold's doing right now, right? Probably had, this was probably on Monday. Yeah, so we had a little push to the upside. So Friday open up, Monday, yeah, so yeah, pretty much had a slight push up. And then literally what happened on Monday, end of Monday we started to push down. Exactly the same, it's replicating gold. Now literally, what happened now? Gold pushed up, silver pushed up. It's pretty much just replicating that. Literally, we had a strong push down on, literally it's replicating it to the T pretty much. If you have a look here, this was probably when we entered here at like 6:30. Look at the same thing, big dump. Manipulation candle for sure. People were like, let's just wreck these guys, bro. Let's just wreck them, bro, for absolutely no reason. I wanted to be a bunch of douchebags, bro. So silver, same. I feel about gold is probably the same as silver right now. It's literally replicated T for T, tit for tat. Bro, I wish it could have hit. Yo, we got so close, dude. TP1. Oh my god, like 30 pips, 20, 35 pips off. It's time like 8:30. Fuck. Yo, my throat. Come on, let's just push up to TP1. Let's call it a day. I just want to oh fuck, I want to see a nice little push. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on, you know, fucking stupid candle, bro. No one likes you, bro. No one likes you, dude. Just push up, bro. No, I'm joking. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. Push up, bro. You're the best. Gold, you're the best. The best. Nothing's gonna ever break you down. You're the best. The best. Go to 5130. You're the best. The best. It's actually working, dude. My little singing, bro. You can't have a Luke session without a little bit of singing, eh? I'm the worst singer alive, but I mean. Come on, man. It's so crazy. Like, we casually sit in this trade, but we're literally still up like 400 pips. We're like half the. That's wild, mate. It's wild. We out here hissing. How much is my position on now? 22,000. It's shit. I could have literally just pulled out 30 grand and been okay with my life right now. But I'm a greedy boy, eh? I'm a greedy boy. What would you guys... Okay, let's put in the chat right now. What would you guys do with $30,000 right now? Boom. Straight in your account. Boom. Profit. Bam. In your account. Go. Best comment. Let's go. There's a jet flying over. Not today. Come on. I need a win. I need a win before I leave. What would you guys do with 30k? Let's go. Damn, there's some interceptions happening over the palm. Car. Very good. Take 5k out, keep the rest in for trading. I'll come to you, man. Book a one-way ticket and hope for the best. It's a good plan. That's the answer I was thinking. I'll use it to fly over to Dubai and give you a hug, bro. I'd appreciate that, bro. Like right now you can't come because there's literally missiles being intercepted. Like literally right now I can hear it. It's pretty insane. This is what you guys don't understand the dedication I have right now, bro. I'm on this live, bro, and there's literally shit happening outside. Just I don't know if I could show you videos. Like, I have videos of me actually recording this shit, bro. I've got a video. No jokes. Fuck, bro. Like, bro, I'm recording one coming across the sky. I'm having a fucking barbecue, mate, with my mate. One's coming across the sky, and then all of a sudden, bro, this one comes over my head, dude. And it's a massive thing, dude. I was like, what the fuck, bro? This is like real life. This ain't Call of Duty anymore, dude. Like, what do we do, bro? Like, what? Where's the fuck's the fucking do? Like, what am I supposed to do? You know, in a game, bro, I know what to do, bro. I know you call in the infantry, you call in the UAV, and then you start like getting. I don't have that shit though. I'm like, this is fucking real life, dude. Like, I don't have that shit right now. This is fucking happening, dude. Like, I'm flying in a missile. Pay for my stepdad's cancer treatment. Yo, much respect. Sorry to hear that, Dana. Sorry to hear that. I hope that happens. I hope we can make that a reality. One-way ticket to Dubai and trade next to you. Flip that account. Yeah, bro, 30k and a big fat holiday. Fuck the holiday, dude. Are we gonna... Dude, we hit it, dude. Yeah! Woo! I thought we were done. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? What the fuck are you talking? What the fuck are you talking about? You come with your little fucking down to the downside. Get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here. Get out with that shit, dog. What are you coming here for, bro? What is that? What is that, dude? 30 bands. That's where we at. 30 bands. That's what we do. Bro, get out of here, man. Get out of here with that shit, dog. Should be crazy, dog. Fucking hell, bro. How much you up? 30 bands. 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 Close one position now. Got two other running. I thought we were done, dude. Fuck yes, bro. 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 Where's that, bro? What the fuck, dude? It's fucking crazy, bro. I thought he was done, dude. Wait. Gotta update this group, bro. What's up, guys? Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, listen, bro. I just hit TP1, bro. What's up? My name's Luke, bro. What's up? Best trader in the world. I'm doing it. How much ups is that? 5176. Well, technically I told him to enter for 5086, so that would be that's a lot of pips, eh? That's a lot of pips, bro. That is 30, 30, 50, 54, 54, 540, 540. Boom, boom. TP wait. Nice one, baby. Luke, will there be any more signals in the VIP today, or XAU is the last for today? Stay safe out there, bro. I appreciate that, and I don't know if there'll be more signals. I'll just have to wait and watch the chart. If an opportunity presents itself, there will definitely be another signal. Yeah, for sure. Can't guarantee anything right now. It is now currently 8:40 p.m. Dubai time. Let's see. TP1 hit 5130, baby. Yeah, let's fucking go, bro. www.allenb.com in the motherfucking easy. Bro, yeah, chat coming over, bro. You know, like I'm in this shit right now, bro. It's crazy, dog. It's actually like right above the building. Wait, let me just check. Fuck, that's crazy, dude. So why Solana pump it? No. Thanks, Luke. No worries, bro. No worries. TP1, can we re-enter a buy? No, we don't do that shit. What rules are you following, dog? Okay? What rules are you following? No, don't do that shit around here. We're in the trade, bro. We're up like 540 pips or something crazy, dude. Like we peaked at what? It's like almost 600 pips, bro. You don't enter on that shit again. That's cray shit, dog. Look at that entry, dude. That was like a sniper entry on this shit, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. How much did you guys make? Do you guys take some profits at least over there? 'Cause, I mean, it's quite a lot of pips, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's quite a lot of pips. Do you guys take some profits? Do you guys manage to recover some of the loss today? Have you moved stop loss ahead yet? I can't see it. No, I haven't moved stop loss just yet. It is a swing position. I'll manually be watching this trade for now. If we start pushing down really aggressively, sure, but like I just want to watch for now. I like the structure for now. I think it's still good. Still pretty happy with this. It's just coming down again for a little low. This continues, should do something like this. So like 5160, I think that was my next TP, right? Somewhere 5160, if I'm not mistaken, exactly. Where's my little thing, bro? 5210. Okay, so next TP is quite high up there. 210. Up here. It's pretty high. Some more what loss? Damn right, dude. What loss, bro? Talking about loss, bro. So we're 18-1 technically. Couple of drones on our way, yeah. Missiles and drones. Should be cool, should be fun. There's a TP2 there, bro. Family's trying to call me. Yo, what up, Luke? You're right there, dog. What happened in there? I hear the news. Look cray. Yeah, everything all right, yeah. Just on the stream with my boys. All right. We good. You guys winning? Yeah. It's been a bit of a rocky day. All right, keep winning, son. Keep winning. Joking, that's not the conversation that went down, but yeah, like in my head, that's like what I would be saying, right? Sure, my family's very worried. It's a bit intense. My mom's freaking out. Isn't nice, of course, your son being there, you know. I would be also like really stressed if my mom was in my situation, right? It's obviously not a pleasant place to be. You don't know what's happening. I try and keep them as at ease as possible, you know, but at the same time, it's a very serious situation. Yeah, it's not easy as a mother, you know, I can imagine. But I try and like just, you know, do what I can. But at the same time, you know, you don't want to make them worry, you know. Got to keep smiling, got to keep chilling. And, yeah, got to be a man, eh? Got to be a man in this situation. Don't want to make your loved ones scared. Tough times, eh? Any of you guys in like a region where it's not good and like it's been affected and shit? I know you guys in Dubai, Lebanon, Iran. If you are like, I hope you all are safe. See what can happen here. How you guys feeling still being in the trade? Like what you guys doing? You guys taking some profits? Did you guys take some profits when I took some profits? Are you guys still in some trades? What's happening? See what else is happening here on the chartsies. I think we're still good. I think there's even another buy zone down here at like 590 as well on the 15 minutes. I think we're still good. It's not a buy zone as well there. We're still good on the buys. I had one position with a 0.02 lot and it hit TP1. I'm very happy with the profit. Very good. Very happy with you with your profit. Very happy, very happy. If you're happy, I'm happy, my friend. I'm happy. I'm happy. If you guys are happy, then I'm happy, and then everyone's happy. We all happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Guys, I think it's going to be a long trade to play out, right? Loud explosions heard in Dubai. Shit. Shit, dog. Shit's rough out here. Is this shit gonna grow? I hope so, bro. At 5108. Adam, did you get? It's going down a bit after 5127 at 518 now. Yeah, it's a little bit low. If we drop below current entry, would you take another entry? That's a good question. It's a swing trade at the end of the day. Like again, I don't always want to take a swing trade on a stream because it's gonna take long, guys. It's gonna take so long for this trade to play out. We could have like a lot of, it's gonna take long to build up, come back down. Again, we already hit TP1. It's already 500 pips already on a session. Again, you got to also look at it on the spectrum of like how much did we move in a couple hours, right? When we moved like this from 630, that's already 160 pips. Then we moved back up to like, yeah, which is like another 540. It's almost like 2,000 pips, in like a couple of minutes. So it's pretty crazy, It's done a lot of things. Like it doesn't necessarily have to move now quick or do something crazy. It's just in like a plateau at the moment, trying to find entry. Adam, did you get out that sell? I remember you were in a sell. How was that? It probably hit stop loss. I don't like. I'm just assuming. And if you, oh shit, fuck, that shit's getting crazy, dude. I'll stay on for another like 7 minutes, I think. See what happens. But I'll update you guys on the VIP. Guys, if you want to get access to the VIP, make sure to drop me a DM. Set you up with a deposit bonus and you get access to the VIP, the scalp signals, crypto, AI. If you guys want to do that, I will be updating you guys. Those of you in the swing trading group, you guys will get updates with how the trade's going, with what we're going to do. For those of you, if you are happy with the trade, if you are not in the VIP, feel free to close before I exit because maybe you won't get updates. Maybe we do close a break even. Maybe something happens. So, yeah, that'll be pretty much the update. So if you do want to get access, make sure to drop me a DM now in the hizzy and I'll get back to you. Price is just trickling around this 5108. Obviously just came down for a little bit of a low. Maybe continue momentum. If we're going to continue going back up, price is bold. Fuck, there's so many jets flying over here now. It's crazy. Shit's getting crazy here. Pretty boring price action right now. I'm sending a little video. Are we gonna hit TP2? Jeez. What part of Dubai are you? I am in Dubai. I'm in the central part of Dubai. Pretty scary shit. Are we gonna hit TP2? I hope so. Like I said, it's a swing trading move, so again, it could take long to play out. Again, we obviously having some sort of consolidation between this level right now. Price is obviously figuring out what it wants to do next. If we want to come down a little bit lower before coming back up. Overall, my direction is still bullish. So I'm gonna see something here. You can see that we have a bit of, obviously what is trying to figure out how to get out of this point now. Let's block, yeah. It's crazy. Crazy, like interceptions. Direction 5 to 40. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I think the thing is, what's on our side, right, is like there's still currently a war happening, right? And this is why I still think that this was pure manipulation coming back down. So like if price is going to rally, it's going to rally. And we'll definitely break above all-time highs again. This is why I'm pretty bullish on this price as well. Overall. That's why I don't want to get out of break even just yet on this trade, because like I still feel like it's got a lot of push to do, but it could still come down. We've got a good stop loss in play. If we come down again, that's just another manipulation candle. It is so. All right. So said it's a sell. So guys, everyone sell. Sorry guys, sorry to disappoint you guys. It's a sell. Fuck. I fucked up, guys. It's a sell. It's a sell. Look, I don't want to disappoint any of you guys, but I was actually just joking. It's not a buy. Actually, just very bearish. So is right. So you're so right, bro. I'm just so disappointed in myself right now for telling everyone it is so. It's like didn't even want to use the effort to write. It is a so. It is so. Yeah, we fucked up, guys. It is so. It is so. Sell. It is. Buy is not. No, I was joking. I was just recreating this SOH JPG 21. Didn't close at 5130. Should I close a loss now or what? Why would you be in a loss, Ilya? What was your entry to the buy? Or should just close? You will see, bro. Alright. 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 Got a little challenge going on here. Alright, look here. I'll make you a deal, right? SOH. You write. Send me a DM on Telegram. If you write, I'll be like, alright. If I get stopped out and you win, I'll give you credits, bro. Alright? But if I win, you give me credits. Fair? Scalping. A damn out mood swing is coming out again. Scalping, yeah. Scalping's fine. Guys, this is a swing trade, bro. It's like, it's not a scalp. I'm not scalping this. I think the best thing... I think the best thing to do now in these environments is to swing trade. You got more of a chance of actually executing something good, right? Sell. You might be right with the sell SOH in a scalp, 100%. I'm not scalping, so it's like I could also be like, oh, it's a scalp, but I'm in a long. Where's your sell scalp from, though? I don't understand. What was your basis off that sell? Just sell, guys. Take it. If you want, listen to Soho bugging. Get the fuck out. This is the wrong stream. You always get the guy that, like, you know, there is obviously a chance he's right? Like, so I'm not going to obviously discourage that, but he has no basis of why he's selling. If he explains why he's selling, could factor that in, but he has no basis to sell, guys. La Vivana, yeah. This motherfucker must be the La Vivana. La Vivana, don't trade here, dog. I don't know what strategy you're using. Saloni or what? All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to head off. If you guys want to get access to the VIP, make sure to drop me a DM. I'll be updating you guys on how this trade's going. For now, we're still in this trade. I'm not doing anything crazy just yet. It is a swing trade, swing position. I'm going to hold tight for now, waiting for more price action to form. Is the entry on the screen up to date? I missed the first trade. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 5076. Yeah, that's right. Entry was 5076. Luke Wagwan. What's up, G? Give us a scalp entry. I don't have a scalp entry right now. Don't have scalp entry. Give us scalp entry. If you guys want to get access to scalp trades, make sure to drop me a DM. Then you can get access to the group. Can we enter now? It's a swing trade, bro. So sure, just use proper risk management. My entry was 7.6. We already hit TP1. I took out some profits there. Still in the trade. I mean, late, my bad. Yeah, but like, I'm still in the trade. So if you want to take the risk of still being in the trade, like with me, that's good. That's cool. Yeah, if you want to get access, obviously just wait for the scalp signals to be formed. At the moment, I don't have a scalps trade set up just yet. Go. All right, my lovers. It's been a pleasure, and I'll check you in on Thursday again. All right, make sure to be on that stream. 5884. Yeah. No. I know. It's a swing trade, bro. My stop loss is in play, bro. I'm what scared. It's a swing trade setup. I'm not scared at all, dude. 506, 5086, 5087, 5088. That's what it's gonna do, bro. It's a swing trade, bro. It's not a swing. It's not a scalp, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like, you guys need to be patient. I'm already in a VIP. Drop a scalp in the VIP, Luke, man. Bro, my G, just wait, dog. We don't force trades out here. We don't force it a lot out yet, dog. We wait for our setup, dog. We don't just jump in position. You know how we roll here? What's up with this shit, man? Alright, guys, I'm gonna love and leave you. Still like 10 pips, 100 pips in profit, more or less. I'm still just waiting. Swing trade. It's at the sync. Where do you live? On YouTube. Currently live right now. This isn't simulated. Took profit now. I took the TP1 and put my stop loss to entry, so I'm out now. Alright. Fair enough. No worries. If you guys made money today, great. Like, you guys don't need to take a trade. It's a swing trade. If your balance doesn't acquire for it, if you don't have enough margin, if you don't take it. It's just a trade that I see is feasible, which is good. And I'm going to take this trade every day. I want to be a swing trade. I want to be a swing trader. Scalping is so hard for beginners. Yeah, this is a swing trade. It's going to take long to play out. If you guys have enough margin, if you guys have enough like capital as well, go for it, you know. It's more safe. It's going to take a bit longer to play out, you know, but obviously it's going to give you more pips at the end of the day, depending on your risk reward, right? All right, my guys. and my ladies, much love. Catch you on Thursday, and I'll catch you on tomorrow. I'll update you guys with any other updates, what's happening in Dubai, if anything goes crazy here. But for now, still safe, still alive, still good. And I hope you guys, if you guys are in targeted countries, make sure to be safe as well, all right? Look after yourself, message your loved ones, message your family, message your friends, and make sure they're also safe, right? Because they might be scared and not feeling good right now. Peace out for now, guys, and have a great rest of your Tuesday.